Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do is go to oracle.com and go to their VirtualBox downloads page. Just type in Oracle VM in Google search and you should get a link to the download page. Once you're on the downloads page here, you can click the Oracle VM VirtualBox, and if you're on a Windows machine, whether it's 32 or 64-bit, you're going to go ahead and click this link and download it. Go ahead and install VirtualBox. Pay attention to where you're installing it to. And once you've got that installed, then you're going to want to visit the Vagrant Up website. Actually, I'll go back to vagrantup.com. Once you're on this page, go ahead and click the download button. Go ahead and go into version 1.0.6. And if you're on a Windows machine, again, vagrant.msi, whatever your platform is, you can go ahead and download it here. Okay, and once you have Vagrant installed on your machine, you're going to need to open up a command prompt, which you can do by going to the Start menu and just type in CMD. Go ahead and click that, open up any command prompt. And the first thing you need to do is to download a base box. You can do that with this command right here. Just type in Vagrant space box space add space lucid32 space http ://files.vagrantup.com /lucid32.box. Go ahead and enter that, and it's going to go ahead and download and install that box for you. And the default download location, once that's completed, is going to be, I'll go ahead and go through it here. Go to your C drive, or is by default it's going to be your C drive. Then you're going to go into users, and then you're going to go into your username that you're logged in under, and then you want to go to vagrant.d boxes lucid32, and this file right here is the file that you're going to load into your virtual machine. So if you have your VirtualBox Manager up, which you'll get as soon as you open the virtual machine program, you can go to File, Import Appliance, click Open Appliance, and then you're going to navigate to that box that you just downloaded, the .ovf file. Go ahead and click that, hit Open, and it's going to automatically install the box, and you'll get a Lucid32 virtual machine just like this right here. If you go ahead and right click and start this, by default there is a password that's required, which I'll show you here in just a second. Just go ahead and click OK to any pop-ups. So once it takes you to this stage, the default login and password is Vagrant, and Vagrant for the password. So just enter Vagrant in both of those, and we're logged in. So this lets you know that you are able to now download and install any box. So you can download and install any prepackaged development environment that's listed on the Vagrant website. And they've got a list of Ubuntu packages, all kinds of different versions of Linux. I believe they got Mac, Windows machines, all that kinds of things. And what that'll allow you to do is, as soon as you download and install a box, you're ready to start programming immediately, because it comes preset for different development environments. It makes the getting started in programming a whole lot easier. Just one more thing to remember when you're using the Oracle Virtual Machine. It might throw you off if for some reason you lose your mouse for any reason. It's because there's two different settings for how the virtual machine captures your mouse and your keyboard. And if you lose mouse functionality, just hit the right control key on your keyboard, and it should take that away. So if you accidentally were to hit capture, for instance, see I lose my mouse, to get that back, just hit the right control button and you'll get your mouse back. And that's all there is for this tutorial. Happy programming.